Leather seats are one of those things that can make a car feel sharp. Dust, sunlight, and everyday use can make them dry out or lose their clean finish. That's why, in this video, I'm walking you through 5 of the best car leather cleaners. These aren't quick fix sprays. They help clean, protect, and keep the leather feeling smooth, soft, and brand new. You'll find links to the best prices for all the car leather cleaners mentioned in this video in the description and top comment. Also, these leather cleaners aren't ranked in any specific order, so be sure to watch until the end to find the one that best fits your needs. Number 5 is the Leather Honey Leather Cleaner. It gives you the best feel and finish according to our list. If you have old leather seats or a worn-out couch that looks old and stained, this leather cleaner might surprise you. It's a non-toxic cleaner that's made in the USA and has no irritating fragrance or harsh chemicals. It's a gentle formula that deep cleans without wrecking your leather. What stood out to me is that it's not only for real leather, you can use it on faux leather, vinyl, or even white leather, which is usually a pain to keep clean. Car seats, purses, shoes, jackets, sofas. It works on pretty much anything except suede. The application's simple too. You don't need to scrub like you're trying to erase your past mistakes. Just put some on a lint-free cloth, wipe it down, and let it dry. That's it. It's also EPA Safer Choice certified, which means it's safe for people, pets, and your stuff. Price-wise, a bottle's usually around $25, but if you use my link down below, you can get a handsome discount, and a little of it goes a long way, so it'll last you a while. Overall, if your leather's been looking dull, grimy, or straight up forgotten, this cleaner brings it back without the drama. And once it's clean, you can pair it with a good conditioner to lock in that soft finish. Number 4 is the Armor Allcar Leather Wipes. This is the most convenient leather cleaner on our list. If you're not great at keeping your car spotless, these wipes can make cleaning leather feel like wiping down a table. They come in a pack of 6 with 20 wipes in each. So unless you're detailing an entire fleet, this stuff should last you a while. What I like is that each wipe does more than clean. It also conditions and protects. You're not only removing surface dirt, the formula gets into the grain, pulls out the grime, and leaves the leather feeling soft again. And it's not sticky or greasy at all. There's also a protective layer it leaves behind that helps block stains, fading, and cracking. That's huge if your car sits in the sun or if you have kids spilling juice boxes in the back seat. And since they're disposable, there's no extra cloths or sprays or anything to mix. Just grab a wipe, clean it, and toss it. Done in 5 minutes. Price-wise, the whole 6-pack is usually under $30, and with my link in the description, you grab it at even less. Overall, it's quick, simple, and kind of addictive once you see the dirt coming off. Number 3 is the Leather CPR Cleaner and Conditioner. This is the best cleaning combo on our list. If you want something that does it all in one step, cleaning, conditioning, and protecting, this is the one I'd go with. It's a 2-in-1 formula, so you don't need to buy 2 separate products or do that whole clean, dry, condition, buff routine. Just apply it straight on your leather and wipe it in. That's it. It works great on furniture, car seats, shoes, jackets, and even baseball gloves. In other words, if it's leather, this cleaner can handle it. What makes it different is how gentle it is. It's safe for delicate leather, like white sofas and soft bags, but still strong enough to pull out dirt and stains. Plus, that stiff-feeling old leather can get overtime, and it doesn't leave behind that weird, greasy film like some conditioners do. Also, it's made with cosmetic-grade ingredients and has been dermatologist tested, so it won't irritate your skin when you're using it. And since it's concentrated, 1 bottle goes a long way. Overall, if you're looking for something quick, safe, and versatile, Leather CPR makes the whole process way less of a chore. And if you want to know the latest prices for the car leather cleaners discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 2 is the Meguiar's Ultimate Leather Detailer. This is the best value for money option on our list. If you're someone who wants clean seats without spending forever doing it, this one's worth checking out. It's a 3-in-1 spray. It cleans, conditions, and protects all in one go. You don't need to be a detailing pro. Just shake the bottle, spray it on a microfiber towel, and wipe it in. That's it. It doesn't leave weird buildup or have extra steps. It goes on smoothly and dries with a nice satin finish. It's neither shiny nor greasy, only clean and soft. Heidi puts it as, I could feel the leather actually get supple as I worked it into the seats. You could get away with simple wipe on and remove excess, but I took the time to work it into the leather since it's the first application I've ever done. Absolutely not greasy, gives a nice satin classic look, not shiny, and I personally like the scent. Also, cleaned, removed marks on interior door panels where rain left streaks that would never come off before. I'm ordering another 24-ounce bottle now because I don't ever want to run out. What I like is that it works on more than just leather. You can use it on vinyl, plastic trims, and synthetic leather too. But avoid spraying directly on screens or glossy surfaces because it can leave a slick layer. It also protects against sun damage, which is huge if your car's baking in the driveway all day. The UV blockers in it help prevent fading and cracking, which is how leather dies a slow and ugly death. Overall, if you want a quick touch-up that makes a difference, Meguiar's gets it done. It smells fresh, works fast, and keeps your leather from falling apart. Number 1 is the Wyman Leather Cleaner. This is the best overall option on our list. What makes this one stand out is how it handles everything: cleaning, conditioning, and protecting, all in one quick step. You just spray it on, wipe it with the included microfiber towel, and you're done. It works on all kinds of leather: your car seats, your couch, your boots, and even your purse. If it's real leather and not suede or unfinished, this cleaner's got it covered. Like other cleaners on our list, this one also doesn't leave any sticky or greasy residue. The leather feels smooth and soft, not slippery. Plus, it has this clean, subtle scent that doesn't overwhelm you while you're using it. Here's what Justin says about this. Recently bought a used Tesla with the white interior. It was pretty dirty. A good once-over with this product, and the white leather seats are white again. One of my technicians forgot to put a seat cover in my car before taking it back to do an alignment, brought it back up with grease all over the driver's seat. A quick wipe down with this cleaner protector and the grease was gone instantly. Now, it also has built-in UV protection, which feels nice. It helps prevent cracking and fading, especially if your car sits in the sun all day. You're not only cleaning, you're helping your leather last longer. They even include a microfiber cloth, which makes things easier when you're in cleaning mode and don't want to go hunting for supplies. Overall, if you want an all-in-one leather cleaner that does what it says, this is the one I'd go with. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect car leather cleaner. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each leather cleaner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.